never seen one like you before. Almost human.
I am human. Just enhanced.
I can see you're very upset.
And this is all over, I am going to kill you.
Hello, I'm Rita. I hope you liked my movie trailer for Terminator. This was supposed to be for a contest from Adobe and the people who made this movie, but unfortunately my country doesn't make part of the contest. But I did it anyway because what are the chances of you putting your hands on clips from Hollywood, right? So after watching and listening to all the files that they gave us, I started working. I already knew how I wanted to begin the trailer and how to end it. I wanted to end it with Schwarzenegger, and I wanted to begin with that more feeling of apocalypse. That's why the that's why I started with the skeletons and all of that in the first. Then I did two folders, one for the hero and one for the villain, and I put all the clips that I had of them in separate folders. So, and that's how I began to work. The last part of all was the sound effect, the big challenge for me. It took me like 3 hours only to edit the fighting part. That only takes like what, 10 seconds? But yeah, it's a lot of work, especially for someone that is not used to it. But I like the end results. I'm really excited to share this work with you because I had a lot of fun, even though all the hard work that I had. But I'm just really proud of what I did. So hope you liked it too. Don't forget to comment down below any advice or comment that you have regarding the trailer. Please subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Oh, and happy Halloween, because this is my favorite time of the year. So be expecting a video about this spooky night. Bye!